Hi gang, June 7th live stream update number 7. 7? No, that's, yeah, 7. Whatever. You can scratch White Delrin off the bidding list. I just bought some. Don't need it. I also got the rare, hard to find, Dichem Steel Blue felt tip applicator. And I got a tap and a die for future project. I'm not going to talk about them yet. Jigs and all that, you know. Anyway, like I was telling you, YouTube posters can bid. Don't want cash, want, material to work with, the small tools that you don't want no more. The only justification you can come up with is you gotta popcorn and beer while you watch the video of me emulating the monkeys and the football with whatever you send me. I'll try and make it really entertaining, or at least eptifying. Ooh, eptifying? Well, I could hear the thunder of the stampede of people running to Wikipedia. Are you back? Gotcha! Anyway, bidding opens June 7th, noonish. That's when the live stream starts. Stays open until June 23rd. The live stream then will start at noon, and how long that one runs, God only knows. Anyway, they're both going to be wild, especially June 7th, because got a whole bunch of special content planned that people's hair are going to be on fire. They're going to be running through the woods screaming,